In this video, I'm going to show you how to download any version of macOS on any Mac without using the App Store. If you try to use the App Store to download a version of macOS that came out before your Mac was released, there'll either be a message saying that it's not compatible and the Get button will be grayed out, or you'll be redirected to Software Update and see a message saying Update Not Found. But there is a way to download any version of macOS on any Mac using an app called Mist. Mist stands for macOS Installer Super Tool, and it's a completely free and open source app that allows you to download any version of macOS directly from Apple, from Lion all the way to Golden Gate Beta, regardless of which Mac you're using to do it. You can use it to download the installer application, a disk image, or create a bootable USB drive from within the app itself. So let's see how to use it. First, open Safari and then go to the Mist GitHub page, which will be linked down below in the video description. When the page opens, you'll see releases on the right. Click on the most recent version, which at the time of recording is 0.40, to bring you to the download page. Now click on the Mist DMG link, and Safari will ask if you want to allow downloads from github.com. Click on Allow and the DMG will be saved to your Downloads folder. Now open up your Downloads folder and double click on the DMG file to mount it. Inside you'll find a Mist icon, which you can drag to your Applications folder. Now we need to grant Mist full disk access. Mist needs this permission to be able to access your folders and stitch together the files it downloads from Apple to make the completed installer. Open System Settings and then select Privacy and Security on the left. Then click on Full Disk Access. Click on the plus symbol at the bottom of the list, then type your macOS password and click Modify Settings. Make sure that you have the Applications folder selected on the left and look for Mist in the list of apps. Select it and then click Open. This will add Mist to the list of apps allowed to access your disk. Now we can run Mist by going to Apps and typing Mist in the search box. The first time you run it, you'll see a message from macOS saying that Mist is an app downloaded from the internet and asking if you're sure you want to open it. Click on Open and Mist will run. Once it opens, you can see that there are two tabs at the top. The left tab labelled Firmwares allows you to download IPSW files to restore a Mac using Apple Configurator, while the right tab labelled Installers allows you to download the macOS installer or disk image. But before we can use it, we need to install the Mist Privileged Helper tool. This is needed for Mist to be able to do things like extract package files or format and write to USB drives. Go to the Mist menu and select Install Privileged Helper tool. Then type your macOS password and click Install Helper. With that done, we're ready to download macOS. Next to each version, you'll see two buttons. The left button allows you to download the installer executable or disk image, while the right button is used for creating a bootable USB drive that can be used for a full reinstall of macOS. So to get the installer app for the most recent version of macOS Sequoia, for example, I can click here on the left button next to 15.7.7. Now, because I'm using a MacBook Neo which came out after Sequoia was released, there's a message reminding me that it isn't compatible with my Mac. But you can just click on Continue. Now we're asked to select a location for the app. I'll just leave it in Downloads. Here you can choose between an application, a disk image, ISO or package. I'll just leave Application selected and click Save. Now Mist will begin downloading macOS from Apple and building the installer application. This will take a while to complete depending on the speed of your internet connection. Once it's finished, you can click on Close and you'll find the Install macOS app in the folder you chose earlier. Now let's see how to create a bootable USB instead. Take a USB flash drive at least 32GB in size and plug it into your Mac. Now let's say I want to create a bootable USB of macOS Sonoma. Click on the right button here next to 14.8.7. Again, I'll get the message telling me it's not compatible with my Mac, but I can just click Continue. Now I'll be asked to select the USB drive I want to use. So I'll click in the drop down box and select the drive I just inserted. The drive needs to be formatted as macOS Extended Journaled, and anything on the drive will be lost, so make sure that there's nothing on the drive that you need to keep before continuing. Now we can click on Select, and Mist will begin downloading macOS and creating the bootable USB drive. Again, this will take a while to complete depending on your internet connection and the speed of your drive. When it's finished, you'll see the drive icon has been renamed to install macOS Sonoma, and you can right click on it, select eject, and then the drive can be unplugged and used to reinstall macOS Sonoma on another Mac. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them.